Here's how to change your email on TurboTax. So to do that, we're going to look in our lower left-hand corner of our sidebar, and we see Intuit Account. So we click on that, and it's going to take us to our account. Inside of here, we're going to have Sign In and Security. So we click Sign In and Security. That's going to pull open our sign-in info, user ID, email address, password, etc. We can click on email address here. So you'll be able to enter in a new email address to replace the current one that you have. You have to enter in the email address again, and then you can click Save. After you've saved it, you may have to verify that email address, and then you'll be able to change basically what email address you use with TurboTax. I've done this before when I've had an old school email address that I used back in the day, and then now I'm using different email addresses, so I've changed that TurboTax email over time since I've used this product for over a decade. But that's an easy way, an easy spot for you to change your email address on TurboTax.